Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we are going to walk you through the steps, step by step, how to buy Algo or Algorand on the UpHold trading platform. So right now we are just looking at a trading view chart of Algo, and this is from Coinbase. Right now we're sitting up 8.91% for the day on Algo. Right over here, we have the Algorand website. I will leave links down in the video description for everything that we go through today. If you want to check out their website, we will leave links to the chart if you want to check out the chart. But today's video is about buying Algo on UpHold. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to head over to the UpHold website, uphold.com. I will leave a link down below. Step number one is you'll head over here to the right-hand side. I am on a desktop right now. You'll either log in if you have an account, or you'll have to go over to the Sign Up tab, go through the necessary steps, confirm your account, set up your Google two-step authentication, confirm your email, and so on. Once that is complete, you'll be able to log into your account, and then your screen should look something like this. This is the new user interface for UpHold. Now, this is what it should look like once you're logged into your account. So we have three sections here. We have section number one over to the left, which is the market section. Moving over to the center, this is where it'll show your total balance. It'll show any positions that you have, currencies, equities, that will all show in here. And over to the right-hand side, this will be where you do any of your transactions, buy or sell equities or cryptocurrencies. So what we'll need to do is we'll stay over here on the right-hand side, and we have transact, repeat, and limit. Right now we're going to stay in the transact section, and we are going to go down to where it says from. You'll need to click this, and you'll quickly see that you need to set up a funding method. So whether you connect a bank account or you connect a credit or debit card, you'll have to take care of that right away to get funds into your account to be able to buy equities or cryptocurrencies. So for this example, let's say you want to connect a bank. You'll click this plus hour right here, and this will take you through the steps to set up your bank. I have other UpHold accounts that have a TD bank account hooked to them, and it was very easy, very smooth, very quick, and you can quickly get funds into your account and start buying different cryptos or equities of your choosing. So once you have that set up, you'll click that same down arrow, you'll click that bank account or that credit or debit card, and that'll be where the funds are coming from. Moving down in the center, you have your currency section. For me, it would be US dollars. For you, it could be something else. You'll want to make sure you have that correct currency highlighted. Mine says US dollars, as you can see. And below that, this is where you're going to choose which crypto or equity you would like to purchase or sell if you already own something. So we'll click that, and you can see up here we can search. So this video is all about Algorand, so we're going to search for Algo. And we can see it pops right up. So what we'll do is we'll click that. And now what your screen should look like is you should have your bank or funding method highlighted right here, your currency down below that, and for this example, what you want to buy, which is Algo. So then you would type in how many shares you want. We'll do 100 shares. And that you could also type in how much of the currency you want to spend right up here. So if you wanted to do, 50 US dollars, once you have your funding method set up, it'll do the conversion for how much 50 US dollars will buy in algo or whatever it is that you would like to spend. Or you can just type the shares in. If you want to do 1,000 shares, it would do the 1,000 shares times the crypto price, and that would be the total that you would spend. So once you have that double checked and your currency is right, your funding method is correct, and how many shares and the correct cryptocurrency, you'll click preview down here, and then you'll confirm and send, and then that will go through. You will have purchased your shares of algo, and then over here in your total balance, it'll give you your total balance, and then it'll say that you own X amount of Algorand. You can also do limit orders. You can choose a certain price to buy or sell at over a given period of time. The transact section, which is what we're on here right now, this will be just a market order. You'll get filled at the market price. The limit order, you'll be able to choose a specific price to buy or sell at. Either one will work. Limit orders are probably more safe and you won't get a bad fill in a volatile market. Or if you're buying a large amount, your best bet is probably to do a limit order. I have had good luck with both. I cannot complain, but if you're buying a large or selling a large amount, I would stick to the limit order so you don't get a bad fill, because anything is possible in the markets. And if you're selling a large amount or buying a large amount, the market makers or the bots could give you a bad fill, and nobody wants that. So look into the limit orders. Those are relatively new on UpHold, but either way, the transaction method you can use as well. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you can go ahead and buy yourself some algo. Today, looks like right now we are up 15.84%. And let me know down in the comments how smooth this went for you, if you were able to get your UpHold account set up properly. I have personally had very, very good relationship with the UpHold support team. They are very fast to get back to you, and I've just had great luck with them. I would highly recommend UpHold and their support team. So let me know down in the comments how everything went for you. If you have any questions, I will be glad to get back to you. All right, everybody, take care.